Need support with your shipment? Here's how you can quickly contact sKart support team. So this is your sKart portal. So let's say if you want to raise a support query request to sKart customer service team, so you'll have to go to the booking list option. This is the log of your previous bookings, and if you want to, let's say, raise a support query request for this particular shipment, you have to scroll right to the page and you will have two options of contacting sKart customer service team, which is by email or through WhatsApp. So let's say if I want to raise a query through email, so I'll click on email icon and an email draft will open, and you can check the details, and you can also add more details if you want to ask from sKart customer service team, and then you will just send the email and our sKart service team will promptly revert to your email. And let's say if you want to raise a query through WhatsApp, and you will click on WhatsApp icon button, then a message draft will open. You can edit the text as per your requirement, and as soon as our customer service team receive your message, they will promptly revert to your message and resolve your query accordingly. For more such videos and to know more about our other sKart Edge features, you can check out our other videos as well, and you can also visit our website www.skart-express.com, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.